Luis Sanches has returned to the ring, was victorious. What did you think, sir? How'd it feel?
I felt great being back, you know. And I got the win, so I'm excited, happy.
Do you believe in ring rust?
You know, I felt a little bit, but I mean, I feel I'm right back. You know, next fight I'll be at my 100. I just felt it a little, not too bad though.
Man, an early knockdown, like what was that, 30 seconds in, you put Hill on his butt. How excited did that get you?
I was quick, you know, I was happy. I was hoping that was it, but he came back, he recovered, and we went out 6 rounds.
Was it hard going to 6 rounds?
It wasn't hard, you know, it was just, I don't know. I had the condition. It was just my punches, I was holding them a little bit instead of letting them go, but you know, next one I'll be at my 100.
Did you feel like you started to wear down a little bit in those last couple rounds?
Like I said, I just thought, yeah, I guess. It's just my hands were getting a little stiff. I wasn't able to let them go as I wanted to.
Well, what did you do well tonight? What were you happy with?
Well, I'm happy I got the win, you know. You know, that's what matters, you know.
You hadn't been active for a while. Now that you got to be, did you realize how much you missed it?
I did. The fans, everything, you know, it feels good to be back, you know, being a show for everyone.
What's next for Luis Sanches?
I'm gonna get right back to training, and I think March with Expo Promotions again, and anything before that, we'll see.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.